Hello world, welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna introduce Okinawa Yakisoba. Let's start cooking. Today, I'm gonna use this Okinawa soba noodles and use raw squid and Squid&ink. You can buy Okinawa soba for about $2. Cut the carrots and onion. Add oil and fry the squid. Put vegetables. Add Okinawa soba. They are drizzled with oil. You should pour hot water once. That makes noodle easier to loosen. Add the soup stock of shimaya. This is bonito soup stock. This is the most popular soup stock in Okinawa. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. It's already tasty. You can eat it. I also add Squid&ink. You can buy it for about $1. It's tasty even with other sauces. There are many types of Okinawa soba noodles. I like this noodle the best. Put Mugwort on it. Finally, put the pickled ginger. It's done, 完成! Let's eat! いただきます。How was today's video? I'm glad to if you enjoy it. This channel shows you real Japanese home cooking. And I would like to introduce Japanese sauce mix, seasoning, and frozen food. Furthermore, I will also introduce Japanese food culture and custom. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。